It's a fan light combo. Boom. Check it out. Check it out. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. Just your regular basic fan. You know. See, let's go down here. Your regular loud. This one right here. This fan. You know, for there's the dimensions right there. Why not? This is for the basement, so we try to get as skinny as we can, and the owner wanted a fan light combo, but fan light combo don't come at this size. That's a 3/5/8. They're a little wider, you know, a little thicker. And this one comes with struggling. Comes with his normal cap right here. You know, it's normal. Got it upside down. Normal graded, or I don't know what you call it, or whatever you call it. That's normal cap. But check it out. So I was shopping for that. Came across this. That is just a plug-in situation. Got it upside down to your regular thing, where you plug in the fan. Boom, see the step. Those, I don't think you need those just in case, but yeah, boom, plug it in, and blow, you got yourself a fan light combo, just like that. You know, just like that. Maybe so. This is what you get. Boom. It's not fully installed because you got some stuff to do here, but there you go. It's connected. It works. So you hook it up like that. Plug it. The white one is the plug-in that comes with the light, and the black one's the one that's with the fan itself. You just pack the white one into the fan, and then the fan you plug that into the white one for the light, and buy yourself a fan light combo. Yeah, it's pretty dope. Pretty dope. You want to upgrade your basic fan or your fan, you know, you want to light in that bathroom, brighten it up a little bit more, so you do this. You know, it's pretty cool. I found this at Home Depot. I don't know if that's the only spot to carry it, but that's where I found it, so that's why I'm dropping that name. Maybe Lowe's has it, maybe Ace has it, who knows, but I'm dropping the name where I found it at, and that's where I found it at. So take a look. If you want to upgrade it, go for it. Doesn't look bad. Pretty dope. Peace.